Hello friends, I am Dr. Prashant Veerkhare, Head of the Department Travel and Tourism, Government Polytechnic Nagpur. Today I am presenting you a learning module based on topic New Age Challenges to Hotel Industry. Learning outcomes of this module will be you will be able to recognize common challenges to hotel industry, identify the new age challenges to hotel industry, suggest the solution to new age challenges to hotel industry. Friends, hotel industry is the industry that is responsible for providing primarily food services and accommodation in places such as hotel, resorts, conference center and theme or amusement parks. Hotel industry is one of the largest industry in the world. These are pictures of some of the best heritage and modern hotels. Also, there is a picture of one of the best cruise liners of the world. These pictures show the grandeur and global presence of hotel industry. This is another set of pictures which shows that hotel industry is not only big and grand, but it is also attractive and glamorous. These are few important features of hotel industry. Hotel industry is integral part of service industry, which means it generates its revenue by providing intangible product and services, that is less of the products and more of the services. A high tourist influx makes hotel industry very lucrative and one of the fastest growing industry of the world. By 2020, almost 1 in every 10 people would be employed by hospitality industry. Despite hotel business being a profitable one, there are certain problems and challenges too. Common challenges of hotel industry. Some of the common challenges which are prevailing in hotel industry since ages are as follows: labor shortage, retention of quality manpower, ever increasing competition. Most of the times, hotels also suffer due to improper and ineffective marketing decisions. High capital investment and seasonality is another challenge. Seasonality is more severe in Indian context. Learners, please take a paper and pen and do a little exercise and brainstorming. We have already discussed common challenges posed to hotel industry. Now please pause this video for a minute or two and write some new age challenges which you can think of and then resume the video. Good job done, learners. You must have written it correctly, and those new ages challenge are rising local competition, data theft, losing loyal customer, change in guest expectation, irregular cash flow, changing marketing trends. Now we will discuss these challenges and their solutions one by one. Very first challenge is rising competition. Rising competition is common problem in all the industries, but it is severe in hotel industry as lots of seasoned global players have now ventured in India and they are even coming to tier 2 and tier 3 cities. India has become breeding hub of first generation hotel entrepreneurs which made competition fierce. And solution is that you need to offer something significant to woo the guest, a consistent innovation, a technology upgrade, and a better service to guests. These are never ending and everlasting activities. Next challenge is data theft, which was not common to hotel industry, but it's growing day by day. With increasing competition, it becomes major challenge too. And the solution is use of most secure software. So choosing appropriate software is key to this challenge. Another challenge is losing loyal customer. And solution is to run a very effective loyalty program which help you to retain the clients. It includes offering memberships against which hotel provide amenities, discount and reward points. The fourth challenge is continuous change in guests' expectation. In hotel industry, expectation of guests keep on changing after every experience, and meeting this expectation every time is a challenge. And solution is to have self-service portal, quick check-in and check-out services, map location guide, quick pick-up and drop-off service, and so on. The next one is irregular cash flow. One of the major challenge hotel face is of credit. Corporate clients avail credit of 30, 60 or 90 days as per their volume of the business. These figures are monstrous. Further delay in recovering payments adds the pain, and bad debts are killing. And solution is launching an online marketing campaign to attract direct booking and promoting use of channels which usually deals on advance payments. Hotels should have effective recovery team, and of course that does not mean to have a credit card like recovery team. The last one is changing marketing trends. Now, changing marketing trends is another challenge. Change in the advertising and marketing trend often creates problem for the hoteliers. The traditional marketing methods are not effective now, and these trends are rapidly changing. So keeping pace with change is also a challenge. And the solution is to engage guests on social media, messaging app. Other online sources can also do wonders. Thank you, learners. I hope this learning module had given you reasonable insight on new age challenges to hotel industry. Thank you very much.